Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of Tech Assist. In today's video, I will teach you how to create a Bandai Namco account on your device. So first go to your web browser and on top there's a search bar, type en.bandainamco.ent.eu/. I'll leave the link on the description. So as you land inside the profile page, now down there is create my account, so tap on it. Now on the other page there is login into your account. So if you already have an account, so you can enter your email and password to login, and if you don't have an account, go down and tap on create your account. Now there are different ways in which you can create your account. You can create your account using your Facebook, Google or a Twitter ID, or you can simply use an email. Now if you want to use your email ID, now enter the information below. Now select your gender, enter your username. Now the location is already entered, and if you want to change, you can tap on this arrow icon and there are list of options. Now enter your email address, now enter your birth date and create a password, and once again repeat your password or enter it again, and now tap on yes if you want to receive any news or any information or an update, and now tap on agree to terms of use and conditions, tap on I am not a bot, and tap on save personal information. And here you can see that I'm logged inside a profile page, so that means that my account is created, and on top there is my username, and this is how you can create an account on Bandai Namco. And that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.